guys, and welcome back to another episode of Culinary Canvas. This week we're back at the Ripe Market visiting Sagra Italian Pastificio. We started off with a refreshing limoncello. For starters, we had the fried mozzarella with sun-dried tomato sauce, followed by their famous pesto gnocchi. The mozzarella was crispy on the outside and gooey on the inside, perfectly balanced by the sun-dried tomato sauce. I love painting the kiosk at the Ripe Market. As I'm drawing the details of each facade, I always find the tiny things that make each kiosk their own. The combination of baby blue and bright yellow on the signage works so well together, and that was translated so nicely in the painting too. The pasta was so fresh, but for me, it's never complete without a drizzle of cheese. The overall design of the space reminds me of a summer's day as a child, so warm, inviting, and friendly. I'm really happy with how the final painting turned out. I hope you guys liked it too. Until next time, bye guys!